Hello, Eric here, doing a Seree camcorder video camera unboxing today. See what we got. Pretty plain box. No pictures or anything. China. Brand. Format your SD card. We have a thank you. Got the user manual. Close the SSD. Okay, got the camera. A little bag. Okay, alright. It's very small, fits right in your hand. 3-inch window, or screen, sorry. Tripod mount, battery door. Let's see what we got here. There's a battery in here, upside down. We have a memory card slot right there. Flip it, put it right back in. And I did already charge that battery. Let's see what else is in the box. We got the microphone, external microphone, with instructions as well. We have HDMI cable there, one end for the camera, regular HDMI cable. It's like the battery for the bag that's already in the camera. The USB cable, charging. Yeah, connected, whatever. The other battery. Batteries do have to be inside the camera to charge. There's the wall adapter. Got some sorted lens hoods. It looks like. And then got a little remote. That's it. Little box. Now let's take a quick look. Let's see what we got. Wi-Fi menu up and down. Speaker on there. It's supposed to be a touch screen. Okay. On top we got the hot shoe for the mic. Nope. For the USB, HDMI, and the microphone input. Alright, quick little unboxing there. Thanks for watching. It's Eric. Subscribe. Have a great day.